Microblading healing process and post-treatment skincare. After you get your brows microbladed, you may have many questions about the healing process. Generally, your technician will walk you through the proper steps to take to ensure that your brows heal correctly. If you look at your brows right after the procedure and find that it does not look like the eyebrow embroidery before and after photos you see, that is because your brows will look slightly darker. The following timeline summarizes the general healing process to help you set expectations on how your brows will look like in the first 30 days after the treatment. Days 1 to 3, eyebrows look full and bold, and they are much darker than expected but will fade in time. You may also experience some mild swelling or tenderness, but these should subside quickly. Days 4 to 8, once the pain starts to subside, your brows will darken before they start to scab and flake off. It will feel itchy, but make sure you do not pick the scabs since this can disrupt the healing process. Days 9 to 12, by the second week, the flaking will stop and the dark color will be prominent once again. Days 13 to 30, within the second to the third week, your brows will start to look more natural in terms of color and texture. After 30 days, your skin will likely be fully healed and the pain or discomfort will no longer be there. It takes about 30 days for your microblading eyebrow embroidery to heal, but the exact time can vary based on your age, health, and skin type. Since microblading is a semi-permanent procedure, it will naturally fade over time. As such, it is recommended to get a touch-up every 12 to 18 months. Try to keep your brow area as dry as possible for about 10 days. It means keeping the area dry during a shower and avoiding saunas, swimming activities, or anything that can cause excessive sweating. Similarly, do not wear makeup for at least a week after the procedure. Since the pigments are still setting into your skin, you want to allow the cuts to heal properly, and putting on any products may hinder this from happening. Your brow specialist will likely give you cream to help your brows heal, so make sure to apply this based on their instructions. While microblading is known as a semi-permanent procedure, you will still have to maintain and care for your brows to ensure that they look good for a long time. With this, you can say goodbye to filling in your brows every day and have natural-looking brows with little to no effort.